Have you ever thought to yourself, manifestation just doesn't work for me? Or you think it's a crock of shit? Let's talk about it. If you've ever tried any kind of manifestation technique, whether it's writing something down or visualizing it or talking about it or thinking about it, those are all really important. But the reason it probably hasn't manifested for you or worked out for you is because you haven't done these two things. Number one, you haven't decided. You have not decided within yourself that this is the thing for you. You have not decided that this is the inevitable. You have not decided that this is what life is for you now, and you are not acting as if it's already happened. Which brings me to the second thing, which is action. Manifestation is simply a hope without decision and action. We can't just simply say, I want to make $10,000 in my business this month, and then not show up as the woman who makes $10,000 in her business that month, because that woman decides. She takes decisive action because she knows that every decision she makes is a step towards and closer to where she wants to be. And even if the decision is not the greatest one, or she's like, oops, I shouldn't have made that step, we only know that because she was brave enough to take the step. And so decision, action must happen. We must get dressed as her. We must eat like her. We must be in relationships like the woman who makes 10,000 plus in her business, because that is how you change the energy. An object in motion stays in motion, right? We were taught that in grade school. The same rules apply here. Decision is an action. Decision is moving forward. Decision is getting out of where you're at now. And then the action is the physical thing that takes place. Decision is mental. The action is physical. And when we actually do those things in tandem, give these two things a try. If you haven't already and you are like, I'm giving up on manifestation, that is some woo-woo bullshit for the crazy people in the world. It is not bullshit. And you just simply haven't decided and you haven't taken action like the thing that you say you want so badly. So give this a try. Let me know. Share this video with someone you think would find this helpful. And I'll see you back here next week.